All right, guys, it is a little bit chilly. Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. You're probably here because of the title, Mobile Home Siding Repair. And that's what we're going to try to do today, guys. So this is what we're doing here. Excuse me, Paul? Yeah, thank you. That's because I don't like to be cold, and it's cold. Yeah, so we're going to start this siding right here. We had a storm. It blew his siding off because termite damage that he has going on. So we had a lot of water damage on this side and this side. So we don't know what we're going to run into, but we're thinking we're going to end up reframing, probably sistering the sides right here down through here. So let's get this thing taken apart. Yep. All right, so we got it tore apart. And this is what we're dealing with. Rotted everywhere. The good thing is we're coming back later to replace the floors. So the floors will be done from the inside, and I'll be able to have blocking done from the inside. But for now, I need all this torn out. What we have is, this is just a piece of blocking on the in-between, but we have the bottom plate, which is a 1x4, and then the flooring. We're going to get it all out, all the way down through here, until we come to solid, where it stops being rotten at. On the inside, we've done some bracing. If you can get it reframed, 90%. You're not going to get 100. Like I said, we're going inside after this. We're going to make that band solid. Band solid, yes, it could have been replaced. If I wasn't worried about the whole wall falling on this outside, and I just can't have that, I just need to make it solid. I'm coming back on the inside and putting 2x4s on the inside, floor to floor, and then it will be screwed right into this piece right here. So yes, it's ugly, but it's solid, and that's what you want. You're just trying to get it back to solid. Do the same thing to the top when we get back, and then sister whatever we're going to sister on the side of these things, and that's where we're going to We'll cut a bunch of these out so we can put the lattice down through there that we're going to screw our siding to. 1, 2, should be 3 runs. 1, 2, I'm not sure where this one is. That's it, huh?
Yeah, that's what you want.
Okay, so 1, 2 in the bottom. Okay, good. We're going to do that. All right, stick around. Right, so we have the top plate cleared out so we can put a new one up there. We have to add a couple studs. We'll add sisters like we did over there. Another sister there. We're going to put a 2x4 back in across for a top plate all the way down.
I said, well, probably people that working and stuff have a hard time getting it. He said, no, he said, my nephew stayed in my daddy's house. He said, him and his wife.
I'm going to put a 2x4 right here so I have 2x4 on the top plate can sit on top of it. Since that's where we stopped it at, we have no other way to do it. These are rotted, so we're going to sister the sides of them. I already sistered this one all the way down. We're going to do this one. We're going to add a stud in here all the way, sister that side, and 2x4 will sit on top of that, and then we'll put our straps back. Appreciate it. All right, got it all tore out. Top and bottom, reframed. Like I said, if you can get 90% back and then get it covered over and dried in, you're good. I keep saying that, but it's true. We have to put our bottom piece back on because that tells us where our siding goes to at the bottom. We're going to tuck up underneath the gutter as best as we can. On the top, we're going over the top of that with a rubber roof. So we are on the home stretch of this stuff, boy. Got all the hard part done. Got the hard part done. We'll add a couple strips out here on this end right here, and it's just ready to go. Got a little mess up top, but that's not anything we're going to have to worry about because we are putting a rubber roof on it. If you were not putting a rubber roof, that might be an issue. Right there.
Yeah.
Fortunately, we are, and that missing piece of metal won't matter. Basically hold everything in there. You're just gonna line it up with
Yep, put the bottom in first.
bottom.
Yep.
I thought you start at the top.
No. No, bottom be better. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Then we need to slide it out so to match the bottom.
Yep. Yep.
Hold on.
Then when you're ready.
Hold on. I'm ready now. Do anything you want to do. I think you're there.
I'm good.
I think you're there.
I'm good.
Oh, you need to put a screw somewhere right
I
here.
got hold of it. You put screw in.
Don't
I got hold of it. Put one screw in.
you like where it's at in
Yep,
the bottom
I do.
too?
I do. Put one in the bottom, in the middle. Yep, right there. All one you put in.
One. That's
one.
all I need.
Yep. With a knife.
And flex it. You're right.
Yeah.
I love it. Oh. That's great. Now cut another one.
Coming from the bottom up. 17 inches. Come over 6.5.
We have a power cord coming through the ball. That's not right, Paul. Sir.
I bend it inside,
Yes, sir.
not outside. I got it.
Power cord in the, oh, I'm talking about in the wall.
What about the power cord? Oh yeah. Let me hold on. Hold on, man. That's not that too. Where am I doing right?
My drill's on a railing.
Hold on. That way, man. Come on.
Now fix the bottom corner.
Go on the bottom corner.
Right.
Oh. Yep, I'm good. The bottom first.
I'll just go right in.
I can't.
Because you got a little bend right there.
I was in. You got a little bit. And then you got about a quarter.
A quarter?
Yeah.
Hold on a second. Let me get a quarter. I'm hitting. No, I'm hitting the nail. No, won't go a quarter.
I got it. I got what I need.
Did it?
Yep, I did.
In the loop?
I'm good.
Don't move it.
I'm good.
Do it without one of these. How much is it for a piece of that siding?
Around $85.
85 each.
I think it was $520.
520 for 6.
550 maybe. I think it's about $85.
Oh yeah, absolutely, 100%. It's going up really nice. Get our woodwork done. That's good. The band down there is on. Metal band's on. Working out perfect. We need to cut this end off before we do the next one, but other than that, we're good. Looks a lot different than when we came this morning.
Darn right it does.
Yeah, looks a lot better. Sir, that's how we got it so far today.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
That's what it's supposed to look like. We got some adjusting to do over here in this corner. For some reason, it seems to be
A bit wider.
a little bit wider at the top. But the good thing about these panels,
Still got to just room in.
yeah, there are adjustment rooms. But even after the adjustment rooms, this one edge is a smooth edge. You can pop from an inch to nothing, slide it into the groove, and
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
see
and
that.
then you're done.
Yep.
You know. So anytime they're running this stuff, if they don't run perfect, they cut one.
We do.
All right, guys. Day 1 is in the books, and we are wore out. It's been a long day. It feels like.
Oh yeah.
We drove for an hour and a half this morning. We drove for an hour and a half, and then got here and went right to work. And you see what we got done? That's what we got done. Everything through Jesus, everybody. Until next time, or actually, don't go nowhere because we'll be back tomorrow. We'll be back tomorrow. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss a video. More to come.